You raise a fresh coconut and take your first sip. As the cool coconut water enters your mouth, it mixes with saliva, which moistens the liquid and prepares it for swallowing. Because coconut water contains mostly water with small amounts of natural sugars and electrolytes, very little digestion is needed at this stage. Your tongue pushes the liquid toward the back of your throat, triggering a coordinated swallowing reflex. Muscles in your esophagus contract in gentle waves called peristalsis, carrying the coconut water safely into your stomach. Inside the stomach, the liquid briefly mixes with gastric fluids. Unlike solid food, coconut water spends only a short time here because it contains very little fat, protein, or fiber. The stomach gradually releases it into the small intestine, where most of the real work begins. The lining of the small intestine rapidly absorbs water along with natural sugars and important electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium. These nutrients pass into nearby blood vessels and enter your bloodstream, where they begin traveling throughout your body. Within minutes, your cells have access to fresh water and dissolved minerals that help support normal hydration, nerve signaling, muscle function, and many other essential biological processes. In the next stage, these nutrients begin reaching your organs, where each system responds in its own unique way. As coconut water leaves your small intestine, water, natural sugars, potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of other minerals enter your bloodstream. These nutrients first travel to your liver through the hepatic portal vein. Here, the liver carefully regulates the natural sugars. Some glucose is released into your circulation for immediate energy, while excess can be stored as glycogen for future use. The electrolytes continue circulating with very little change. Your heart then pumps this nutrient-rich blood throughout your body. Within minutes, every organ begins receiving fresh water and dissolved minerals. Potassium plays an important role in helping nerve cells transmit electrical signals and allowing muscles, including your heart muscle, to contract normally. Magnesium supports hundreds of enzyme reactions involved in energy production, muscle function, and protein synthesis. Meanwhile, your brain benefits from improved hydration, which supports normal cognitive function when your body has been adequately supplied with fluids. At the same time, your kidneys carefully monitor the balance of water and electrolytes. They filter your blood, conserving what your body needs while removing excess water and waste through urine. If you drink coconut water every day in moderate amounts as part of a balanced diet, it can contribute to daily hydration and electrolyte intake. However, its overall health effects still depend on your total diet, activity level, medical conditions, and the amount you consume. In the next stage, you'll see how daily consumption over 30 days may gradually influence different body systems through normal physiological adaptation. As you continue drinking coconut water every day, your body adapts to a consistent supply of water and naturally occurring electrolytes. Your kidneys become the main regulators, adjusting how much water and minerals are retained or excreted to help maintain fluid balance. This process supports normal hydration but also depends on your overall fluid intake, activity level, and health. Your heart continues relying on carefully balanced electrolytes to maintain its normal rhythm. Potassium from coconut water contributes to this balance, but more is not always better. People with kidney disease or certain medical conditions may need to limit high potassium foods and drinks under medical guidance. Meanwhile, your brain benefits when adequate hydration supports normal concentration, alertness, and nerve function. Your muscles also rely on potassium and magnesium for healthy contraction and relaxation, especially during physical activity or after sweating. After about 30 days, drinking coconut water in moderation can be one useful part of a healthy lifestyle. It may help contribute to hydration and provide beneficial minerals, but it is not a cure or a substitute for a balanced diet, regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and appropriate medical care. The greatest benefits come from the combined effect of healthy daily habits working together inside your body. By now, drinking coconut water has become part of your daily routine. Each serving provides water along with naturally occurring electrolytes that help support normal hydration. As water enters your cells, it helps maintain the environment needed for countless chemical reactions that keep your body functioning properly. When you stay physically active, your muscles depend on water to maintain their normal performance. Potassium and magnesium also contribute to healthy muscle contraction and nerve communication. Although coconut water can help replace some fluids and minerals lost through sweating, it is not always sufficient after prolonged or intense exercise, when specially formulated oral rehydration or sports drinks may sometimes be more appropriate. Your digestive system continues handling coconut water efficiently. Because it is low in fat and contains only modest amounts of natural sugar, it generally empties from the stomach relatively quickly. The pancreas responds by releasing insulin to help move absorbed glucose into your cells for energy or storage. Over time, these normal physiological processes work together to support your body's daily functions. However, the biggest health benefits still come from your overall eating pattern and lifestyle rather than from any single drink. Coconut water can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet, but it works best as one part of a much larger picture of healthy living. Now, drinking coconut water has become part of your daily routine. Each serving provides water along with naturally occurring electrolytes that help support normal hydration. As water enters your cells, it helps maintain the environment needed for thousands of chemical reactions that keep your body functioning every second. Meanwhile, your muscles rely on this steady supply of water to contract and relax efficiently. Potassium helps transmit electrical signals between nerves and muscles, while magnesium supports hundreds of enzyme reactions involved in energy production and muscle function. If you're physically active, these minerals help replace a portion of what is lost through sweat. However, after prolonged or intense exercise, coconut water alone may not replace all the sodium and fluids your body needs. As digestion continues, coconut water moves quickly through your stomach because it contains very little fat or protein. Inside the small intestine, water and minerals are absorbed into your bloodstream, while the natural sugars trigger a gentle release of insulin from your pancreas. This allows glucose to enter your cells, where it can be used immediately for energy or stored for later use. Day after day, these normal physiological processes continue working together. Your heart circulates nutrient-rich blood, your kidneys carefully regulate water and electrolyte balance, your liver manages nutrient metabolism, and every cell depends on this coordinated system to function properly. Coconut water can be a refreshing and nutritious part of a balanced diet, but its greatest benefits come when combined with healthy eating, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and an overall healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed discovering what happens inside your body, subscribe to Health Preventra for more realistic 3D anatomy videos that reveal the science behind everyday foods and habits. Like this video, share it with someone who loves learning about anatomy of human.